Welcome to my comprehensive review of Maximizer CRM, a popular customer relationship management software designed for businesses of all sizes. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about Maximizer CRM, from its interface and usability to its core features and pricing structure. We'll begin by looking at the layout of the dashboard, which is intuitive and user-friendly, providing all the necessary tools at your fingertips. You'll immediately notice how easy it is to navigate between modules, such as contact management, sales pipeline tracking, and analytics. The platform's contact management feature stands out for its ability to store extensive customer data, including customizable fields for tailored business needs. You will see that adding new contacts, categorizing them, and setting up reminders for follow-ups are seamless processes, enhancing productivity. Moving on, we'll explore the sales pipeline tracking feature. This tool allows you to monitor leads, opportunities, and deal progression with clear visualizations. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that may assist you in optimizing your CRM strategy. Be sure to check those out after watching this review. Next, we'll discuss how Maximizer CRM integrates with other popular tools like email platforms, calendars, and accounting software, making it a versatile solution for your business. The reporting and analytics section is another area where the CRM shines. You can generate detailed reports on sales performance, customer engagement, and more, giving you actionable insights to refine your strategies. We'll also touch on the mobile app, which is perfect for on-the-go access. Whether you're in the office or traveling, the app ensures you stay connected with your clients and tasks. For those concerned about pricing, I'll break down the available plans and help you determine which one aligns with your requirements and budget. At the end of the video, I'll share my personal opinion on the pros and cons of using Maximizer CRM. This will include insights on customer support quality, ease of onboarding, and overall value for money. If you're considering the CRM, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.